Introduction. In this video, we will explain split air conditioner error codes and their possible causes as given in the technical manual. System high pressure error code E1. Malfunction name. System high pressure indoor unit and remote display E1. Possible causes. Overcharged with refrigerant. Blocked or dirty outdoor coil. Extreme outdoor ambient conditions. 2. Indoor antifreeze protection error code E2. Malfunction name. Indoor antifreeze protection. Indoor unit and remote display E2. Outdoor unit indicators. 3 flashes and 1 second off. Possible causes. Low return airflow. Indoor fan speed is too low. Indoor coil is blocked or dirty. 3. Refrigerant leakage protection error code F0. Malfunction name. Refrigerant leakage protection. Indoor unit and remote display. F0. Outdoor unit indicators. 9 flashes and 1 second off. Possible causes. Refrigerant leaks. Indoor coil temperature sensor no calibrated. Refrigerant flow is restricted. X valve. X. Debris. 4. Compressor high discharge temperature protection error code E4. Malfunction name. Compressor high discharge temperature protection. Indoor unit and remote display. E4. Outdoor unit indicators. 7 flashes and 1 second off. Possible causes. Please refer to the malfunction analysis, discharge temperature, overload, in service manual. 5. Overcurrent protection error code E5. Malfunction name. Overcurrent protection. Indoor unit and remote display. E5. Outdoor unit indicators. 5 flashes and 1 second off. Possible causes. Supply voltage is unstable. Supply voltage is too low and system load is too high. Indoor coil is blocked or dirty. 6. Communication malfunction error code E6. Malfunction name. Communication malfunction. Indoor unit and remote display. E6. Outdoor unit indicators. Continuous on. Possible causes. Communication cable is miswired between indoor and outdoor units. Indoor or outdoor control board malfunction. 7. High temperature resistant protection error code E8. Malfunction name. High temperature resistant protection. Indoor unit and remote display. E8. Outdoor unit indicators. 6 flashes and 1 second off. Possible causes. Incorrect refrigerant charge level. Refrigerant metering device malfunction. Compressor malfunction.